How to install drivers on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Before starting the download process or the installation process, let's understand why it is important of having the correct drivers installed. The very first one is to ensure your PC runs optimally all the time. Likewise, to ensure proper communication between the hardware of your computer and Windows. There are basically three ways by which you can install and upload the drivers on your Windows. The very first one is using the Windows Update. For this, you just have to open your Windows Update from the settings and check for the updates. Then you can tap on Advanced Options, under which you will see the option of Optional Updates. Here you can find all the drivers and its updates, so you just have to tap on tick button and then download and install. Likewise, the next step is to know your system information. Go to any of your browser and then search for the manufacturer website and download it from the official link. Likewise, the third one is the manual setup or installation. In order to do so, you have to open Device Manager. Click on the driver that you want to update or download, go to its properties and then on driver. You can either update it from here or uninstall as well. Or you can go to details and then tap in or copy the value and then paste it on the manufacturer website and download it from the official link. So these are some of the ways by which you can install drivers on your Windows. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.